Barriers to communication. Number one, physical and environment based barriers. Distance between the sender and the receiver of the message, noise, and environmental factors act as an important barrier to communication. Number two, personal barriers. Personal factors like difference in judgment, social values, inferiority complex, bias, attitude, inadequate attention, pressure of time also act as a barrier to communication. Third, premature evaluation. Some people have the tendency to form a judgment before listening to the entire message. Premature evaluation acts as a barrier to effective communication. Fourth, lack of mutual trust. Lack of mutual trust between the communicator and the communicate acts as a basic obstacle to effective communication. Fifth, emotional distraction. If the receiver at the time of receiving the message is worried or angry, he may fail to receive the message as desired. 6. Semantic barriers arise when the word, symbol, or visual used in the communication mean different things to different persons. Semantic barriers also arise due to language, education, culture, and place of origin. Different languages or lack of common language can create obstacles in communication. A Chinese and an Indian may face this barrier in the absence of a common language. The terms used in engineering may not be understood by the arts student. Multiple meaning or spellings of the words can create the problems in communication. Words with similar pronunciation but with different meaning also create problems in communication. For example, accept, accept, fear, fear, counsel, counsel, principle, principle. One should keep these barriers in mind while creating a message and take necessary precautions to avoid these barriers. Next, what steps can be taken to overcome the barriers to communication? Answer. The following steps can be taken to overcome the barriers to communication. Number one, clear ideas. The person sending the communication should be very clear in his mind about what he wants to say. Number two, simple language, tone, and content. It is better to use simple language. Tone of the message should be soft. Contents of the message should be brief. Third, communicate according to the need of the receiver. The sender of the communication should prepare the message keeping in mind the level, understanding, or environment of the receiver. Fourth, speak slowly. While communicating orally, the communication should be done at a suitable speed so that the receiver may not miss the important points. Fifth, asking questions. By asking questions, the speaker can ensure whether his message had been properly understood by the receiver or not. Sixth, use of pictures. When you are having trouble in explaining a difficult concept or you are speaking to a group of people with different native languages, use of pictures and diagrams can be the solution. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.